Welcome to Lesson 6, AI Myths versus Reality. Today, we are going to debunk some of the most prevalent myths about artificial intelligence and set the record straight with factual insights. This lesson aims to demystify AI and provide a clearer understanding of its capabilities and limitations. Let's address some of the common misconceptions about AI. Myth: AI will replace jobs. Reality: while AI will automate certain tasks, it is also creating new job opportunities and augmenting human roles, allowing for more complex and creative job functions. Another myth: AI is sentient. Reality: despite advances in technology, AI lacks consciousness and self-awareness. It operates within a confines of its programming and data. Another myth: AI always makes perfect decisions. So the reality is, AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on and the algorithms they use. They can make errors and require human oversight to ensure accuracy and fairness. Continuing with more myths that often circulate about AI. AI will take over the world. AI is a tool created and controlled by humans. It operates under specific parameters set by developers and cannot act beyond its capabilities without human intervention. Myth: AI understands human emotions. So the reality is, while AI can analyze emotional cues from speech, facial expressions, or texts, it does not experience emotions and thus does not truly understand them. Another myth is AI does not need humans. AI systems are designed, maintained, and improved by humans. Human expertise is crucial for the development, ethical guidance, and refinement of AI systems. As we have seen, many fears and exaggerations about AI stem from misunderstanding about what AI is and what it can do. By debunking these myths, we can approach AI with a more informed and realistic perspective. Thank you for joining today's lesson on AI myths versus reality. I hope this discussion helps clarify the true nature of AI and its role in our society. In our next lesson, we will summarize what we have learned throughout this model. See you then.